Hello everyone! Today I will teach you how to set up MKT TikTok software to support increased views and likes for your TikTok videos. First of all, this is the main interface of MKT TikTok software. The first thing the software will help you with is the unlimited TikTok account management. I will be able to raise a large number of 501,000 TikTok accounts for me to use, seeding and increasing views and likes for that TikTok video account. The software also has features such as let the TikTok account go through this automatic interaction to feed the account. It makes my account healthier. In addition, there are functions such as automatic video posting, comments, automatic messaging, etc. Here I will use the seeding feature. You choose the seeding video. Next, you will copy the video link. I will take a video link, and then I will seeding more likes to increase views on these videos. I will use this video to set it up to increase the number of views. First, you will copy the video link. Then you paste the link into this video list. Next, you will choose for yourself to set up the configuration as the number of streams and actions such as like, repost video, follow, or comment. Here I will view, like, and comment. Next, you finally choose Give me a TikTok account. First of all, this video is currently about 105 views. After I run, my friends will see the results. As you can see, the software will automatically search for your videos. Then watch this video, drop this Tim, and comment. Then this part it will support you to increase the view, increase comment, increase interaction, to increase the recommendation for your video. I have just instructed you to use the View Boost feature for TikTok videos with MKT TikTok software. If you have a need or interest in the software, you can contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. I will support you to deploy. See you in the next videos.